Okay, now we have this question that A and B can complete the work individually in 24 days and 30 days respectively, working 10 hours a day. That means A and B are two persons who can complete a particular work individually, alone they can complete the work if they work for 24 days. If A can work for 24 days and each day if he works for 10 hours, then A alone can complete the A work. Similarly, if B works continuously for 30 days and each day if he works 10 hours, then he can complete, then alone he can complete the job, okay, or work. So work is to be done in two shifts. Morning shift lasts for 6 hours. So morning shift is lasts for 6 hours and the evening shift lasts for 4 hours. On the first day, A works in the morning shift while B works in the evening shift. Next day, A works in the evening shift while B works in the morning shift, and so on. It means they work alternatively with respect to their shifts. Thus, they work on this pattern till the work is completed. On which day the work gets completed? So, it is asking that on which day the work gets completed. So, the options are given 26th day, 27th day, 28th day and 30th day. So, from this question we have at least understood that the works will be completed in shifts. They will not alone complete the work. They both will A and B will together complete the work, but they will do the work in shifts. Suppose if A works in the morning shift, B will work in the evening shift, and if B works in the morning shift, A will work in the evening shift. So now in this kind of problems, so first of all what we have to do, we have to find what is given. A works, if A works individually for 24 days and each day he works for 10 hours, then he can complete the job. So for A, okay, for A, what happened? For A, if he works for 24 days, and each day if he works for 10 hours, he can complete the whole work. So whole work means one work. So one work I have represented one only. I have written one. This one is representing one work. Okay. Now if A works for 24 days, but each day if you work for 1 hour, how much part of the work will be completed? 1 by 10. Now again, if A works only for 1 day and in 1 day he works for only 1 hour, then how much part of the work will be completed? 1 by 10 into 24. Okay, so is equal to 1 by 240. 1 by 240. Okay. Now if, see what is given here, that morning shift lasts for 6 hours and evening shift lasts for 4 hours. That means they, A and B, will work in shifts. So now if in 1 day, if A works for 6 hours, then it will be, how much work will be completed? 6 by 240. I have to multiply 6 because in 1 hour, if they work for 1 hour, they can complete 1 by 240. But if they work for 6 hours, they will complete more. So I have to multiply it 6 by 240. Okay. Now if in 1 day, if he works for 4 hours, then 4 by 240. Similarly, in 1 hour he can complete 1 by 240. Now if he works for 4 hours, he can complete more work. Therefore, I have to multiply 4. So 4 by 240. So now we can cancel it also. 6 4 the 24, 1 by 40, and 2 6 the 24. 6 4 the 24, 1 by 40. Okay, and 1 by 60. So now similarly, in case of B, if he works for 30 days, if he works for 30 days and he works 10 hours, then he can complete one work. But in 30 days, and each day if you work for 1 hour, he can complete how many work? How much work? 1 by 10 only. Now in 1 day, now if he works for 1 day, and in 1 day if he works for only 1 hour, then how much job he can complete? 1 by 10 divided by 30. 1 by 10 into 30, sorry, 1 by 10 into 30, okay. That means if a B works for 1 day, and in that 1 day, if he works for 1 hour, then he can complete 1 by 300 part of the work, equal to 1 by 300 part of the work, okay. So now similarly in one day, if he works for 4 hours, he can complete 4 by 300, and in 1 day if he works for 6 hours, he can complete how much work? 6 by 300. Why I am taking this 4 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours? Because they have work in shifts. So we have to find out that in 1 day if he works for 4 hours, how much part of the work will be completed, and if they work for 6 hours, how much work will be completed, okay. So in this way, I can cancel it here also. 4 the 28. 75. 1 by 75 and 6 1 by 50. Okay. Now in first day what happened? In first day, what is given? In the first day, A work in the morning shift while B works in the evening shift. So morning shift means what? 6 hours. So A has worked for 6 hours. So how much part of the work will be completed by A? 1 by 40. And how much work will be? And B has worked for evening shift, that is 4 hours. How much part of the work will be completed by B? 1 by 75. So now what is the LCM of 40 and 75? 5 8 is 40, 15. 5 is 40 into 15 is 0. 5 is 20, 40, 600. So 40 divided, so it will be 15. 40 into 15 is 600. So 40 into 15 is, so 15 into 1 is 15 plus 75. 75 into 8 5 is 40, it's only 56. 75 into 8. So 8 1 is 8. So 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 by 600. Okay, 23 by 600. So in the first day, 23 by 600 part of the work will be completed. Now in second day, B has worked in the morning shift. So 1 by 50. 1 by 50 of the work will be completed. Plus, and A has worked in the evening shift. That means A has worked for 4 hours. That means 1 by 60. 1 by 60, okay. So 50, almost 60. 5 10 is 50. 5 12 is 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12. So 5 2 is 10. 5 2 is 10, 10 6 is 60. 5 6 is 30. 300. The LCM is 300. So 50 into how much is 300? 6 5 is 50. So 6 plus 60 into 15. 6 5 is 30. 5. 60 into 5 is 300. So 11 by 300. So in the second day, 11 by 300 part of the work will be completed. Okay, now 60 30. Yes, 11 by 300. So first day it will be completed 23 by 600 part of the work, and second day it will be completed 11 by 300 part of the work. Okay. Now in 2 days, in 2 days, how much part of the work will be completed? 23 by 600 plus 11 by 300. So 623, okay, plus 300 to 22. So 45 by 600. So in 2 days, 45 by 600 part of the work will be completed. Okay. Now it is so 45 by 600 part of the work will be completed in 2 days. That means 5 9 are 45, 5 1 are 5, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. So 3 by 40 part of the work will be completed in 2 days. But we need one work. That means one job, one work has to be completed. So 2 into 40 by 3. One work will require more days, so I have to do what? I have to multiply. $80 by 3 days. So 80 by 3 means 3 divided by 80. 3 2 just 6, 2, 3 6 just 18. So 2. That means 26 days will require, but on 26th day all of the job will be not completed. So it has to be go to the 27th day because there is remainder. So the job will be completed in the 27th day. Okay. So this is the answer B, 27th day. Okay. So in this way we have to solve this. Okay. Thank you.